Hey guys, I'm Kyle Milan with WD-40 Specialist brand. On this episode of WD-40 Specialist on the Road, we're at Beckwood Press. Beckwood is the leader in hydraulic and servo-electric press manufacturing. Today we're testing the WD-40 Specialist penetrant, contact cleaner, gel lube, dry lube, and silicone that are all tailored for industrial heavyweights. Let's go back to the shop and see these products in action. We're outside St. Louis, Missouri at Beckwood's headquarters. Now, Beckwood is known as the premium provider in press technology. They're in industries like aerospace, defense, agriculture, energy. I mean, there's not an industry out there that has not already benefited from a Beckwood press. I sent them a box of products about a week ago. Let's go talk to the shop guys and see if it's holding up to the Beckwood standard. Hey guys, we're here with Alex, who is the lead fabricator here at Beckwood. Alex, what are we standing in front of right here?
Today you're standing in front of a 4-post hydraulic press.
Have you guys tested out the Specialist product range on this press yet?
Oh yes, penetrating for any type of bolt that might be stuck or anything that gets rusty in shipping or anything. There's a lot of things in between drilling, messing with loose bolts, messing with stuff that comes in that's rusted. We spray down for that. We deal with a lot of stuff that has cosmoline on it. WD-40 is the only thing that cuts cosmoline, so we will go through gallons and gallons of WD-40 for that.
And so what is cosmoline?
Cosmoline is basically just a rust protector. Anytime you get things that are traveling over salt water that go in type of a shipping bag, they put cosmoline on it and it just prevents it from rusting. It's a great penetrator, but it keeps and prevents rust from showing up. And we're in an open air environment, so you have rust, you have moisture, you have humidity. All of those things play into effect when you're dealing with raw steel every day.
All right, we're here with Terry. Terry, what is it that you do here at Beckwood?
Lead maintenance. I've been here 41 years, and I do a little bit of everything.
All right, Terry, what do we have over here with this raw material?
This is hot roll bolsters, top and bottom, Blanchard ground. A machined piece, raw steel. We got rams, beds. It all comes in a raw state like that with very high polished machining done, and in a high humidity situation, August, July, rust is our enemy. I've been using WD-40 for 40 plus years. I've had nothing but great experience. I've been using it since my dad introduced it to me and 13 years of age, working on cars. Been here at Beckwood for 41 years. I've been keeping it in stock at all times, lubricating, gelling, penetrating, all the specialty brands we use in-house.
All right, guys, I think it's safe to say that the WD-40 Specialist brand stood up to the Beckwood test and could be considered Beckwood Tough. Be sure to follow along this journey and see where WD-40 Specialist brand goes next.